Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Privacy over here. Then you need to select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like Location. Then select one of your apps and click on the chosen one, for example Google Play Store. Now select one of those options, allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with the first one, so now when I go back, as you can see, Play Store gained access to my device location if I'm using this app. But you can always just pick any feature and then an app of your choosing, like Chrome. Then click on See All Chrome Permissions instead over here and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!